We are coming to a close of our figurative language unit, which I have to admit makes me a little sad. But today you're going to get to show me what you know and see what you know for yourself um, before we take the test. So today is a review. You can go back and look at any of your previous assignments. You can ask me questions. You can go look at the quizzes that's still up. You can do any of those things because it's a review, not a test. If you can do well on this review, then you will do well on the test because the format is exactly the same. Let me go over that with you really quickly. This is your figurative language review. You'll type your answer, your name here. The first 7 questions are simply you being able to tell me what each type of figurative language is. So we have the definitions here, and this one says alliteration is. So you have to choose the correct definition. Personification is, hyperbole is, a simile is, a metaphor is, an onomatopoeia is, an idiom is. So the first 7 simple definitions. The last 20 are examples, and you have to tell me what it's an example of. Most of the time you'll be choosing from all 7, but on some, if they were confusing, that I took away one of the answers that might have possibly also been an option, and I've just left you with one option so as to clear up any confusion there. So Jason joined the Jubilee Band in July. You have to tell me what that's an example of. The flowers waved on the hillside. You have to tell me what that's an example of. You're going to recognize that we've seen some of these before. You might have even seen some of them on the quizzes you did earlier. So yay. If you have a question about any of them, this is a review, so feel free to ask. You're going to want to ask today because the test comes next and you can't ask on the test. So answer each of those. Go over your answers before you submit them, please, because once you've turned it in, it's in. Okay. Some of you are having trouble with when you scroll, your answers change, so you're going to want to double check your answers before you turn those in. And I think that should do it. Click submit when you're done.